human evolution, our knowledge of the universe and the world we live in was so sparse and little to what we know today. Back then, all we could do was look at night at the constellations, planets, and stars. It's hard to believe that our technology advanced so much that we've had the opportunity to explore our galaxy and beyond. Definitions, theories, and ideas developed that we are still trying to figure out. Today, you will learn about the future with regards to our universe and our solar system. It started with theories that had to do with celestial objects within our solar system. At first, we believed that our galaxy, the Milky Way, was the whole universe. However, as more technology was invented, we were able to see that we're just a tiny part of the whole entire universe. So, how did our universe form to be so big? Well, many people have different theories on how the universe began. Some believe that God created the universe through the story of creation. However, there are just as many individuals who prefer to have a real scientific theory to this question. This is the Big Bang Theory. The Big Bang Theory originated from a Catholic priest named George Lemaitre in 1927. As a sum up, this theory explains that the universe started in a very small condensed ball that exploded because nuclear fusion overcame the ball's gravitational force. After the Big Bang, the energy and heat from it spread outward very quickly. As the universe cooled, clumps formed and created what we see now as galaxies, planets, and stars. Astronomers today estimate the Big Bang occurred between 13.7 billion years ago. This theory has been the most widely accepted scientific explanation of our universe because it gives us the opportunity to make predictions that we can observe. For instance, Canadian astrophysicist Jim Peebles used the Big Bang Theory to show that in the first few minutes of the Big Bang, about a quarter of the matter fused into helium, and the rest remained as hydrogen. Since our universe is expanding quickly, what will it look like in the future? There have been many ideas relating to this topic, but two that many people are starting to hear are the Big Crunch and the Big Freeze. The Big Crunch theory states that the universe will stop expanding and will start shrinking due to gravity. If the theory holds true, the universe is like a giant souffle. It starts out small, then expands as it heats up. Eventually, however, the souffle cools and begins to collapse. The Big Freeze is opposite to the Big Crunch. It states that the universe will infinitely expand until it reaches a maximum value. Then all heat will be evenly distributed and begin to freeze. In the end, even if these theories were to happen, it would occur in more than trillions of years. There are many stars that have their whole life cycle to live and many nebulas to wear out before the universe goes dark. Our solar system consists of the sun and celestial objects such as planets, moons, asteroids, comets, dwarf planets, and many other objects that orbit around our star. The sun is a mediocre star that has been burning hydrogen for approximately 4.5 billion of years through its main sequence. It is said that in about 5 billion years, the sun will have attained a radius 250 times more than it is now and form a red giant. What will happen to the planets surrounding the sun? Well, since the sun is expanding, research says that the sun will eventually swallow up the Earth and the terrestrial planets due to its huge mass. However, if the Earth were to escape incineration, then its close proximity to the sun will boil away all of our water and life as we know it. Nevertheless, this will all happen in billions of years to come. The technology will have developed immensely, and we will probably have settled on other planets that fit our needs accordingly. The future of our universe, of our solar system, will come to an end one day. But there are so many years left for us to discover the truth about our universe, how it works, and how it will end. By getting to know more information, it will give us time to prepare and estimate when we have to leave our planet Earth to preserve our human race. The end.